morning, rainy morning vibes we got here. We are not gonna go see the bears because it's just raining a lot right now. We can always come back to this spot if we don't see any grizzlies in Alaska. We're still 24 hours away from like the mainland Alaska, Anchorage, Alaska. 8 to 10 hours of driving, that would be perfect. Did kind of take like 2 semi-rest days. 9:02, and I woke up around 8. I haven't ate breakfast. I was thinking about air frying an egg Sammy. Okay, so we got all our ingredients here. Broke 1 egg. Let's see what it's looking like. I'm trying to get the bread toasted right now, but one of them broke, but we got 1 yolk on the bread. Kind of just get the bread toasted up, and then it'll be good to eat. Oh yeah, it's looking nice and toasty, baby. That's what we're working with. Nice yolky, cheesy egg Sammy. Bread on this side is nice and toasted. This side not as toasted. Should have given it a flip. It's all good. It's delicious though. On the road again, going to the Providence capital of Yukon, Whitehorse. Hopefully we can make it there today. Low on bread, so I need to go to the grocery store, buy some bread, buy some meat, enjoy this rainy day vibe drive. Got about a half a tank, so we're pulling up to Canadian Petrol. Get some gas, man. What is he doing? What is it? What is it? I just heard some dude yell, go F yourself. I wonder what that's all about.
And it's moving this thing, so I can't do it too hard. But... What is that?
This metal thing's not opening at all?
Yeah.
Huh.
I was gonna try it again, yeah.
Start the car, turn it back off. Maybe there's like an electrical thing, I don't know.
N-word? You don't have to be a just because you are, but your parents are embarrassed. Our parents probably don't even know you. Super gay, they lost it. Go pick that trash up, buddy. Yeah, go back to America. You.
Haha!
Because I was using the diesel pump.
Well, you're lucky though.
You were using the diesel pump?
You're lucky.
Bro, usually the
Bro.
handle's yellow.
The diesel pump's big, it won't fit.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this guy. This guy. Wow. What did we just catch on camera over there though?
Bro, that was some...
Are they going back for more?
I was scared, like, there's something...
Oh, you're dumb. That's hilarious, bro. That is hilarious. What was going on earlier?
I asked him many times to move because people drive through there, and I said I want to get clipped. And people walk through, and he said he wasn't in his way.
So he just got mad at you?
Yeah.
Wow.
He did that yesterday, and he said he wasn't here. I remember him.
I know there's big RVs coming through all the time too, so it makes sense. Okay, spent 40 Canadian, got 20 liters of gas. Forgot to film the filling up part because there was so much action happening. I've never heard that before. He said go back to Canada, or he said go back to America. Wow. Wow, the Canadians, they don't like us. I don't know. Apparently that dude called him the N-word though. That's insane. That is insane. Smoky bacon flavored chips.
Do you have these in the US?
No. No, I don't think we have bacon flavored Lay's, no. Dude, that's so good. One more. Might have some, I'm trying to get some meat in here too. We'll see. Let's check.
I guess if they have some hot dogs.
True. It's a nice little spot here. BBQ. That's funny. In the US it just says BBQ. They don't have these, I think. Wait, sweet chili, they're purple. Those are normally purple. Bro, chips are so good. Corn nut, yeah, those are good. Why do they have 5-hour energy? They need some Matador.
I am, you are, Josh. You know, yeah.
That's what Canada's always like.
Am I on camera? I thought I was being...
He's on camera, my bad. Don't have coffee crisps. Crispy Crunch, Eat More's. Oh, Henry's, we don't have those. Smarties? Huh? It's a weird type of... The Karma milk looks good. Mr. Biggs, I think they have these. Interesting, very interesting. Two English guys. That's funny. He's found a mate. See now, you be proud. You got these wooden bridges, bro. They scare me. I feel like I could slip and slide all over them. Tatoga, interesting looking. Nice. Reduced speed. Made it to this little general store here, so we're gonna go in and see if they got any food. It just says this is a cafe. That's closed though. 80 kilometers for you is what, like not even 1/4? Yeah. $9 for this small one, or 35. 35 bucks just seems like so expensive. You got the, okay, I see what you're doing there. I'm gonna buy these. Half of it's gonna be spaghetti and then half of it's gonna be some burgers. I do need bread. Gonna get some pasta sauce here. And the noodles. This is so much. They don't have a smaller one. Well, I hope this is the cheapest stuff right here. Dang, that's a lot of bread. I'll get the Wonder Wheat bread then. Jeez. So this is what I'm getting. Meat, this pasta sauce, pasta, bread. Good way to make money, like if there's not many people coming through, and I guarantee a lot of people stop through just for the Wi-Fi. You know if there's any like cheaper bread than this one? I don't know the price.
This is like $6.90.
You get way more bread for $2. It's a lot more bread for $2. It's a good deal. Is this, what is that, sourdough?
Yeah, are you recording? There you go.
Look how big this loaf of bread is. 12 pieces of bread compared to my head. 20 spread. It's gonna be for egg samies, peanut butter jellies, hamburgers, whatever you want, whenever you want it. So here we are at the Tin Rooster. It's our next stop. We're about to enter into the Yukon. We just officially broke the 20-hour mark, so now there's only 19 hours and 50 minutes left on the road trip to Anchorage, Alaska. I did hit $60,000 within 5 months. For the tiny house challenge, I was trying to save $60,000 in 6 months to build my dream tiny home in Florida. So I hit the $60,000 mark, and it's about 5 months and 10 days in. I think that calls for a bit of a celebration. He said that we should try some elk while we're here. We just saw a sign that said elk, so I'd like to try some elk while we're here. That's gonna be my one celebratory meal, and then it's straight to saving $30,000 to buy my mom a brand new car and gift it to her. And I'm gonna do a series where I start from a to the $30,000 car that I will gift my mom. He's fueling up, I fueled up as well. I spent about, I think 15, 20 bucks, and yeah. Let's see if we can get some food. I'm pretty dang hungry. Petrol Canada here. This is pretty cool. They got all these stickers. That's funny. That's funny, they got gold pans. That's cool. Go sift for some gold. The shack really lives up to its name. It's just a shack. I thought it was gonna be a restaurant. What can you expect out here in these little towns?
Not much.
Not much.
Just a shack.
Yeah. Elk burger, $24. Yeah, I don't know. $24 for a burger? No, thank you. Like, we could go get a whole plate of food at like a restaurant, I'm sure, for like 24 bucks.
Especially around here.
Yeah. I'm just gonna make a peanut butter and jelly here. All right, instead of buying those expensive burgers, I just ate a peanut butter jelly. Joe is cooking up some hot dogs in the air fryer. W air fryer, love this thing. At the gas station too, you know, we're just plugged in. It's all electric, so it's safe. Love this thing. Getting some hot dogs cooked up for Joe, and then we're gonna drive, make it to the Yukon, baby. We got like 3 to 4 hours left. I think they said like 400 kilometers. I don't know what that means in American, but we're just gonna drive. All right, Joe's got his dogs. I'm still wasting my unplugger.
Thank you, I appreciate that. This is gonna sort me right out.
Magnolia, Texas, Schultz. Got all types of weird graffiti on here. Look, this door doesn't close. You can't lock it. Like it doesn't. Oh, it does lock. Okay, I'm just stupid. You had to turn it. But like, who's gonna be able to walk in on you when you're peeing? You just put your door foot right there. Yeah. It's a little cool graffiti. Need to wash my hands. Kind of wanted one of the British guys' hot dogs, but I'm just gonna wait until I cook sketty tonight. Good to go. So I don't know why I just did this, but I plugged in my power station to my car charger, and then I have all my cords plugged into my power station so I can still charge while simultaneously charging my power station on the road. Genius. Yeah, that's all toasted from the wildfire. All right, we're about to enter the Yukon here, leaving British Columbia. We've made it to the Yukon.
I want to get one there.
Yeah, I got you. Here, we're in Yukon now, but this is just the cool welcome to British Columbia sign with the British Columbia flag. I didn't even realize. So it's got the crown, like the British flag on top with all that going on. Best place on earth. All these stickers. They went crazy with the stickers. I need some Michael Hickey stickers. They got Oregon stickers. I bet there's not a single Indiana sticker on here. No, 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 no. See, look, like this dude, Johnny on his bike. And then you could scan that and go to Johnny's. See, I'm taking a picture of that. That's smart.
It only happens when I'm braking.
It's the next spot.
Say I've turned left and I'm braking, and I go back to the right, it just goes like, it's not a problem, but it's getting louder.
Huh.
So I think I've just got to make sure not to turn that way when braking.
Yeah. Northwest Beaver Post. See what the Wi-Fi is talking about. Oh, look at the bears and the moose. This. Beaver, excuse me. All types of stuff in here. Wondered why there's like the Beanie Baby logo. But did you see the Beanie Baby logo was on the house over there too? Put her on there. You look like Woody from Buzz Lightyear.
I think this looks more.
Just look like Joe.
Nugget City SWAT team.
I want my merch to be like that. So this is called a spirit bear?
Yeah,
according.
It's white. It's very red.
They're not white, but like they just killed a baby bear essentially.
Yeah.
It's messed up. Look, so this is apparently an authorized Beanie Baby store. So I don't know really what that means. They're
crazy.
Yeah, it's authentic Beanie Babies here. Oh.
What is it? Why is it white? I didn't know they were white ones. That's sick.
Oh yeah. That wolf, bro. Here's a good example of how bad I need new windshield wipers. I mean, I don't even know if y'all can see, but it just makes everything blurry. I mean, it's not horrible right now. Earlier it was bad, but I don't know. If I can still see, then no point to waste money on new stuff, you know? So I have a quarter tank left. He has a quarter tank left.
Yeah.
We drove and the gas station is closed.
We're in the Yukon.
We're in the Yukon, so, you know, this is a town right here. This is the town. We're just gonna sleep here tonight and then wake up in the morning and send it.
Looks like bears have been here, man. Like the tent is trashed. There's rubbish everywhere. It's clearly abandoned.
You hear that?
Yeah.
I'm not trying to get pulled up on by a bear, bro.
Let's head back.
Yeah.
Mainly if we make noise, they stay away, including the grizzlies. If you're quiet, that's the worst thing you can do, because then you can
You'll sneak up on one and they'll just get spooked.
Yeah.
Maybe I should walk around with like a...
Hey bear! It fully is just like abandoned. You're not prepared before coming here for how remote it is.
Yeah. It's a trip. I just hope the next town has gas. Like, hopefully we don't have to like hitchhike to go get some more. That would be
cool though.
Yeah, it would be a story. I know. Got the weenies going, about to toast up the bread. Did the old air fryer with the power station. Took up 9% so far. That's what the finished product is looking like here. It's a a good hot dog. All right, I just ate the glizzies. Now I'm getting ready for bed. I'm not putting up my window covers in case a grizzly bear pulls up on me. I'll be able to react quicker and start driving away faster. We did cook at our campsite right before going to bed, which is just a big no-no. So fingers crossed we are good tonight. And yeah, no gas station in this town. So welcome to the Yukon, baby. Very barren out here. Very not much going on with the gas stations. So hopefully the next town has a gas station. Smithy River. If they don't, then we shall push on, get to the next gas station eventually. Worst case scenario, we'll have to hitchhike, which I'm sure you can get a ride easy out here with all the travelers. I guess I'll see you guys in the morning. The nightly routine was just to put up this window cover. And oh yeah, I'm gonna listen to my own YouTube video since I don't have service and I normally go to sleep listening to something just to have like that white noise where I'm like watching a YouTube video or listening to a scary story. I'm gonna listen to my YouTube video that's on this phone on the editing app because you don't need service to go back and rewatch what you've edited. I just figured out that life hack. That's gonna help me go to sleep. It's like a 35-minute video. See you guys in the morning. Love it.